In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Activecampaign personalization tags effectively for your email marketing campaigns. Whether you're new to Activecampaign or looking to enhance your marketing strategy, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease and clarity. First, you'll need to head over to the Activecampaign website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or search for Activecampaign in your search engine and click on the appropriate link. Once you're there, locate the login button on the top right corner of the homepage and give it a click. Now type in your account name in the designated field on the login page. It's important to ensure that you have the correct account name to avoid any trouble accessing your dashboard. Once you've typed in your account name, proceed by clicking on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, navigate to the Campaigns section, which is typically found in the navigation menu. Click on Campaigns to see a list of your existing campaigns if you have any. Now, you need to create a new campaign. Find and click on the Create a Campaign button, which usually stands out to help you get started quickly. Now it's time to name your campaign. This step is crucial for organization and future reference. Once you've named your campaign, click on Next. This will lead you to a choice of tools to design your emails. For this tutorial, select the Create with Email Designer option. This tool is intuitive and provides a variety of design options to make your emails visually appealing. After entering the email designer, the next step is to select a template. Activecampaign offers a variety of templates to kickstart your design process. Browse through the available options, keeping in mind your campaign's goal and branding, and click on Select once you've made your choice. With your template selected, you'll now be in the email editor. This is where the real magic happens. Click anywhere in the text to bring up the editing tools. You'll see an option to add personalization tags. Click on Add a Personalization. Adding personalization enhances engagement by making the recipient feel the email was tailored specifically for them. You'll then see a list of personalization options to choose from. For this example, let's choose email address. Once you click on it, you'll notice the email address personalization tag appears within the text box. This tag will dynamically include each recipient's email address in the email, creating a more personalized experience. We hope this tutorial has demonstrated how personalization can transform your email interactions. Be sure to experiment with different tags and options to see what works best for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy email marketing.